I'm doing some follow-up on my rock painting. Hi, Wayne White here. Again, I'm doing some follow-up on my rock painting. And in the meantime, I've done some extra work. I've got more to do, and I'll show you. But right now, I've added the trunk of the tree and branches of the tree, and I've added some details of the shrubs up here. And now I'm going to add some more to the rocks. It's very interesting. And I've got a grove of grasses, wild grasses over here. I'm going to enlarge on those. I'm going to add a lot more. Do that now while I've got the paint mixed. I'm going to oops. I need a smaller brush, that's for sure. Smaller brush. I'll come back to this weed. This is the brush I want for the rocks. Just splatter them. That's it. Okay, I'm getting rid of a mistake I made. I don't know why I put this dark gray in there. I guess I thought it was part of the rock, and so now I'm getting rid of it. And keep in mind, I couldn't do this if I used a cheap paper. It would tear it up. But the paper I'm using is good quality, 40-pound arches, so it won't damage the paper. So now when that dries, fill that in with grass. And these tall grasses way up. Now I've got my Swiss Army knife here, and I use this to scratch out whites that I want, small whites, like for example. If you look at this rock closely, you can see some grasses that are growing in front of the rock, and they look kind of white. So I can do this with white paint, but I can get a finer line with this, with the knife. Scratching a few out. I'll add some more. And some white there. Ooh. Well, I think I'm 95% finished. I say that because there's always 5% more I could do, or won't do. Sometimes I'll come back a couple of days later and do a few details, but right now there's not a lot more I want to do. So this is my my rock painting. So if you're doing rocks, why maybe this will help you. I just bear in mind that the featured rock here is not the ordinary rock. It's a shell ridge rock. It was a rock that is embedded with shells from prehistoric times. So the other rocks are more everyday rocks, I should say. Till next time, this is Wayne White, and come back again.